Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Juhairiyah. I would like to tell you about this picture. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of the city, there was an airplane passing by. The plane was silver in color, carrying passengers on board. It passes over buildings, green trees, and people. There is a train that is moving near the mountains with pine trees around it. There are lots of pine trees that grow abundantly and freshen in the air in this place. And in the picture, there is driving off-road and full of pedestrians. There are workers, students, and parents. We can look at the line of students. They wear yellow clothes, bring bag and wear shoes. In front of them, there is boy with his dog. And we can look a worker, bring bag, paper, wear shoes, t-shirt, and trouser. In front of workers, there are children and parents. They want to cross. And 3 is with black zebra cross. Beside zebra cross, there are 2 lamb and 3 is men who use yellow coat. This is a picture of a 7-till light crozier. The shop is colored red, green, and has a red and orange roof. There are various green vegetables, carrots, and 3 are also potatoes and bread with various shapes. In front of the shop, there was a man in a blue shirt driving a pink baby carriage. There is also a park there. There was a woman who seemed to be walking with a man. Near the trash can, there are 2 pine trees next to it. There are also 4 trees plants surrounded by a fence. In front of the fence, there was a woman walking. This is a picture of highway. There was many vehicles passing by. There is a yellow school bus with a driver and 4 school children in it. Then there was a green jeep driven by men. There is a taxi on the far right. Inside there was a driver and 2 passengers. Then 3 were 2 blue and green cabriolet cars. The blue cabriolet car is on the right, driven by a man. Meanwhile, the green cabriolet is car on the left. Inside 3 was a female driver and 3 passengers. Finally, there were 2 cyclists, namely the cyclist biking with a blue bicycle and the cyclist in green with an orange bicycle. This is a picture of highway. There was many vehicles passing by. There is a yellow school bus with a driver and 4 school children in it. Then there was a green jeep driven by men. There is a taxi on the far right. Inside there was a driver and 2 passengers. Then 3 were 2 blue and green cabriolet cars. The blue cabriolet car is on the right, driven by a man. Meanwhile, the green cabriolet is car on the left. Inside 3 was a female driver and 3 passengers. Finally, there were 2 cyclists, namely the cyclist biking with a blue bicycle and the cyclist in green with an orange bicycle. To the right of the road 3 is a building consisting of 3 floors. On the first floor there are 2 rooms and 2 windows. The one window on the front is right is a room for washing clothes, while the one window on the black is also consists of 2 orange doors. One door has red roof tiles. On the second floor there are 4 rooms and 4 windows, and window on the left is 3 fire extinguisher room, and 1 window on the right is the kitchen. Meanwhile, the 2 other rooms are unknown. And the third floor there are 4 rooms and 4 windows. The one front window on the left is the bedroom. The one front window on the left is unknown. The top is red roof tile with 2 windows. The building is orange. To the left is of the building 3 is a green file with green trees and grass. There is also a brown fence. In front of the building 3 was a girl who was standing there. The girl was wearing a purple shirt, blue trouser, and gray shoes and orange hair. Next to the girl, which bottles are green, red, orange, etc.